Hello students, welcome to the science class. Today also we will discuss the chapter body movements, and yesterday we had discussed some of the very short answer questions. Today we will discuss some of the objective type of questions which is from awareness. Okay, so first there is a question where you have to tell whether it is true or false. Number one, the foramen has two bones. So it is true or false? What do you think? Yes, it is the true. The cartilage is harder than a bone. What do you think? Cartilage is harder than a bone or a softer than a bone? So cartilage is a soft than a bone. So it is that is the cartilage is harder than a bone is a false. The finger bones do not have joint. Is it true or false? If you can see the finger bone, you will see fingers. You will see there are different joints, and that is the reason we can move the finger bones. So it is the false statement. Next, a cockroach has three pairs of legs. Is it true or false? Yes, it is true. And cockroach also have outer skeleton. If you hold the cockroach, you will see that brown part, that is the exoskeleton part, is the outer skeleton of the cockroach, and it is the true answer. Snail is made up of bone. Have you seen the snail made up of bone? No. It is made up of a shell. Shell is a calcium compound. So it is not a made up of bone. Next, the movement and locomotion of all animals are exactly the same. Is it so? No. The movement and locomotion of the human, the cockroach, the frog, the snail, the snake, earthworm, all are different. Fish, all are different. Nothing is similar. Okay, so all the movements are so very much different from each other. Next, you've got to fill some blanks will be given to you. You have to fill it with a word. A combination of bones and cartilage, they are forming the skeleton of the body. Okay, so skeleton means it is the combination, it is the joint part of the bone and the cartilage. Next, the upper part of our ear contains cartilage. If you hold the upper part of the ear, it will be cartilage. So, upper part of the ear contains cartilage. Joints of the bones help in the dash of the body. What is movement of the body? The bones at the elbow are joined by a hinge joint. When I had spoken about different joints, you had known that is there are different types of the joints which are used in a different way. So it is a hinge joint. The contraction of the muscle pulls the bones during the movement. Okay, and side to side movement of dash move the fish forward in the water. If you carefully notice the movement of the fish in the water, you will see side to side movement of the tail can move or help the fish to move in the water. Okay, now is the match the column, that is you know this, that is column 1 will have something and column 2 will have some options. Only you have to match the column A with the column B or column 1 to here given. Column 1 is the options are upper jaw, fish, ribs, snail, cockroach. And column 2 are have fins on the body, has an outer skeleton, can fly in the air, is an immovable joint, protect the heart, shows very slow movement, have a streamlined body. These are the options. Now what will be the correct answer? Let's see. Upper jaw is an immovable joint. Upper jaw with the skull are fixed joint. That means if you can see it very carefully, you will not be able to move the upper jaw. Only lower jaw portion can be moved. Okay, so it is an immovable joint. Next is fish. What do the fish have? Whole body, they have a fins, and with this they can move. So fish can move with the fins. Next is the ribs. So what does the ribs do? It protects the heart. Rib is forming a rib cage and the heart is present within the rib cage. So basically the function of the ribs is to protect the heart. Next is the snail, which shows very slow movement. Snail's movement is very slow, and the cockroach's very distinguishing feature is that they can fly. Although insects, they have three pairs of legs by which they can move on the ground, and we are very much habituated seeing the cockroach moving on the ground, but at times, not for a longer period, but at times cockroach also can fly. Okay, so these are the few short questions from the chapter of the book Awareness. If you learn these short questions, your basic concepts will be clear. Again tomorrow we will discuss some more question answers from the chapter. Till then, all of you stay safe, stay well, stay fit, maintain COVID protocol, stay at home. Thank you.